How to change post audience on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change post audience on BeReal. First open a BeReal and now just click on your post here, and that's it. Click these 3 points in the top corner, and after that click this one, select your audience, and here you can change it, and that's it. Then just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.